Hello, ladies and gentlemen. This is the morning garden show. Still suffering a little bit from the cold. The Walmart in my location has some of the garden supplies up already. I think these are live. I thought they were plastic. And they have some items. They have the bulbs, and some of you do the bulbs. What is that? $10, 10 plants, dollar a piece. Hosta. My neighbor has a lot of those growing in his yard. Wow. These are some of the seeds they have. Let's see what they got here. Let's see. I'm not gonna get all the way down there, folks. I really don't feel like it today. But for you, I will. What are the prices of these? They don't have $2.49 on average. Then they got some seeds here. Uh, I don't want to have all that music in the background because, you know, copyright rules. Just trying to film in Walmart. Now, I looked for the 20-cent seeds. They don't have them anymore, but they don't have much here right now. They're behind all the rest of the stores in my area, the Walmart in my area, the Jiffy Pots. Which how much are they about? Look at that. That's for how many of these? 5 of these. Got to take out a loan to get this stuff. I refuse to do it this way when you can make all this stuff, and the plants don't know the difference. Here's a couple of the pellets that are refills for those. They found ways to mark this stuff up. These seeds are competitively priced. Let's see what kind of tomatoes they have here. I see the Roma. I don't see the brandy wine. Oh, brandy wine right there. $1.96 right here. But I'm thank God above. I got that Cherokee purple, but I got it offline on eBay. That Cherokee purple. And just by me mentioning that, his sales are going to go up some. He's the only one selling about $1 a pack, and he's done real well. Here's another set of tomatoes. Let's see what we got here. Green beans. Yep. Okay. Now we got the water cans. I had these before. See how this is off? That was off of mine too. They're like $3.96. These containers. All right. 50-cent seeds, folks. 50-cent seeds. They are on the shelves. 50-cent seeds. And that's all they have. They might have more coming in. I'm not sure. But for right now, this is all they have. Cantaloupe, 50 cents. Cucumbers, You know, that's it. They're not really stocked up. All right, folks, that should do it. This is the Morning Garden.